My people, tell Wood Maya may go look for work. Content creator no be job. You be one of them when they say go and look for job, go and look for job. Now Wood Maya say no, one of the big YouTuber, yes, for our cycle, okay, Africa cycle. May we see whether wetin Wood Maya talk, whether na truth or na lie. A content creator na real job to do. Be a YouTuber na you fit do a full-time job or you go look for work. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today na your first time of coming across this channel, my name na Naija Daughter TV. I'm a mommy of two. I dey stay for France. I dey knack am with Nigerian-pidgin-English. Okay, no dey ask me for my comment section which language I dey speak. People dey speak language. Talk of me why I dey knack am with broken. This channel I knack it with broken wuto. Okay, my people, if you don't understand it, try and use that translation so that it goes translate am for you. I know say na one of my all those my fellow content creators when they want try to bring me down. Me, I know they see your face, so me, I know they see your face, so me, I know they see your face, so I know what I did. A content creator. Is it true a content creator na full-time job? Okay, my people, let's head to our brother. May we hear from this our brother Wood Maya, who if you don't know, go straight to his house. Okay, tell us if they come from Naija Daughter. Subscribe, go watch the video. Go follow him. He dey Uganda now. Whether I don't come out, we don't know. You know, say if you do content next week, you upload, and that person say na that week you upload. If you don't know him, go to his house. Okay, now one of our big YouTuber for Africa Circle. Okay, let's listen. Maybe we see how Uganda people stay happy. You feel they wash your own when me they wash my own. You see, as people they happy, good name is better than rich chicks. Though they pay money enter. You understand? They pay money enter, but they learn something inside that pay money enter. The money when they will pay enter, I don't believe say now Wood Maya take on, because Wood Maya it get hard for the Africa for upcoming YouTuber, whether you don't already do YouTube, but you know they progress. He announced and you get opportunity to meet him, to reach him. You know, he get that heart to carry everybody along. That money of payment, I know say not be everybody will feel afford them, and I understand Africa system and how everybody, you understand, but those who get the money get opportunity to fit to enter, they gain something and they know what they carry go home. You see, as people they happy see him, because they don't say he know they carry himself, and he mean well to all the Africa YouTuber. Are you an Africa YouTuber? You there Uganda, you don't get opportunity to enter, no worry, God will see to your own. Or you get the money, you look and say you don't pay money. Now you'll be that. But if you don't get the money, you really love to meet him, because money, no worry. Where God go send you, go. You understand? When you forget time easily, you don't get close to you. For that money aspect, I not to do talk put, I don't do react put for that money. Why I not do react put for that money? I know say Wood Maya now person when mean well for Africa, whether bring best of Africa out or whether meet in fellow YouTuber. You understand? For me, paying that money, I believe said now because of the one rent hall. No be say they want give the Wood Maya the money. Now wait till me understand. No be say the Wood Maya just collect that money. They use that rent hall. They will use that organize things when una go drink. Things when Wood Maya go drink. Person no fit they teach you now. You not drink water. It not make sense now. He must drink water, or maybe the owner of the organize, the person when organize the place. It just be like now. Say person they come Europe now. With the carry musician they come Europe. Nigeria star they carry come Europe. Not be Nigeria star. It really want collect that money. Nigeria star don't already knock you the money, but you when they carry and come now you will come. Tell them, say how much you enter. But Wood Maya just go Uganda to showcase the best side of Uganda. But those, he come announce and say, a content creator, now want see me, make they see him. Then one person go carry on, because now how they will carry Wood Maya go. Now water they go drink, the drink it there. Then they just organize, say, okay, may una pay so this amount, so that the hall when they will use, the equipment when they will use, they will fix the money to pay. No be Wood Maya, they give that money to anybody when they. Okay, I clear that part, okay? Because if Wood Maya will still make money in my business, but I look Wood Maya and Wood Maya say, you know, if you take that kind of money, I just say me I clear that part. Okay, later that is you be content creator on that job. For me, I don't know. For you, when you they come my comment section, say go and look for job. This video now for you. I believe me you watch it to the end. You when you come my comment section, say, don't work, go work here for Wood Maya mouth. He gets 1 million plus subscriber. Yes, now one of our Africa big YouTuber. 1 million subscriber. If you don't get her, go in house, go and get her, and they watch her. And see what video when they say, me una they talk about me. Why would Maya say me they talk about her? 1 or 2 people get to know him. Not be only 1 million, be the whole world. World big, large. Do you understand? Then he go Uganda. Now here when Uganda people they happy, they do. Then they ask her a question. This particular lady, he asked her a question, say, How much would Maya they make in a month? You when you be daughter, when you be this, you when you be that. You they make this kind of money. When you come, people come message, you say, go and look young, go and look young. You they make this money. Barrister, doctor, lawyer. If you they make this money in a month, then come my comment section. Go tell me, say me I go look for work. If you they make and say barrister, me I not be barrister. Me I not be doctor. And I don't even believe say doctor, they when they pay this kind of amount. Not be my mouth to go for here. I would love me you hear am for the hawks mouth. For the hawks mouth.
Maybe that's what I enjoy doing. Impacting lives in villages and communities. Yeah. So focus on YouTube. Because I don't know which job that is worth more than having a YouTube platform. Being an engineer or being a doctor, mention. Right? But I'm not going to advise you to quit your job and then focus on YouTube. You can only focus on YouTube when you know that, okay, at least I'm making something which will sustain me in a month. Then you put all the energy that you put at the 9 to 5 on your YouTube channel, and believe me, you'll see more growth and more money on the platform. The best niche I've ever had was interviewing entrepreneurs. And I got this niche in 2020 during COVID when I couldn't travel. So I was like, what am I going to do different this time around? Why did I focus on entrepreneurship? One, it had more impact than my previous content. Two, my channel was growing in a way that I've never seen before. When I started my entrepreneurship series, I had 300,000 subscribers. By December, I started in May. By December, I had 600,000 following me. That's like double of my subscribers in less than 6 months.
Now here wetin he talk for there. I want to try chook mouth from that area. He said when he interview, now that video, now he making boom. Like me, I get family vlog, I get channel when be Esther Family TV. That channel just start on a year plus. A year plus. But I notice say God not they go, come not they come. Then I come to say this niche, I clicks, it still they do well. Mubang they do well. Then I jump enter here. Why you come my comment section, go they bully me, go they talk to me like say. Now wait at it. Now time now tell us say react to something, react to people video. Now niche too. Now niche. No, now stop to the bullying people when people try. As far as we know insult that person. Now when that person come out insult me, then I feel give am back woto. As far as I know insult you, now what you bring come out for social media, now I deliberate on. Now what you talk, now I bring come out from your mouth again. Why you the commenter or why you some people will just start to they do like say we hate? Why we go hate? We are children of God. Like me, I be child of God. I will never hate anybody. I know you for anywhere. I don't know now for anywhere. We don't know each other for anywhere. We are just trying to make our own content. We they create content. You see how they do now. It easy. You of it can. You know fit. To react to content, not even hard part. Now the hardest niche. Now the hardest niche. Yes. Okay? People when they react to channel, nobody say they hate that particular. Now they are niche. Now they are niche. Now it be that. Okay? Let's go straight to how much would Maya they make. Actually, now here and just now say in Nigeria. Now when I go say go and look for work. In Nigeria, he school for China. He they speak Chinese. Go in China. Go watch when he visit Emmy. He speak Chinese with one Chinese lady. Go in China. Go watch him. Nigeria he read. But today he dropped that certificate. They do YouTube. Now one of the big YouTuber for Africa Circle. He gets 1 million plus. What are we talking about? We pray, say, what will they do? Make God bless us. If God say, now through this YouTube, now will tell me, why not? If God say, no, my daughter, YouTube is not for you, I will still leave it. No, be told now they knock her like Toloto. I bet may I make this video not too long. May I go straight to how much would Maya they make? You when you they write on my comment section, whether you they make that kind of amount. Yeah, go straight to the how much would Maya they make?
So I'm just gonna be honest with you all because I always want to encourage content creators. So as I sit here with 1 million subscribers, I'll go $20,000 to $40,000 every month. $20,000 to $40,000 every month.
Here I try to repeat her 2 times. 20, not be saying that my mouth now for hearing. 20,000, not be $2,000. $20,000 to $40,000. Now they make in a month. You when you they busy carry your phone, you not go use, you not go find what you want you that your phone to take do. You don't say your phone, that your phone if bring money come for you. You know say that your phone, by sitting down, talk, you know say if it bring something for you. By carrying your phone, waka videos your street, you know say that phone fit bring money come for you. By cutting tree, arranging tree, video and push am, you know say that thing fit give you money. But you are busy to see where saga dey when you want to bully people, when you want to insult people. And those people when you dey insult, those people when you dey bully, they make their time, their own they go. They make their money, they make their revenue, they make their CPM, they make their view, they make their subscriber. There they go. It's time for you to wake up. Go use your time to do better thing. Go look for work. Now work I did so, and I still learn from my sister editorial. It's why some people go say, go and look for a job. It's my job. That is true. Anything that they bring money, now our job. Anything they bring money come for you, now your job. It's time we the Africa, may we wise, may we wake up and say, we are doing our job. Yes. As I react to our brother WODE MAYA video now, WODE MAYA will encourage us, say, not be when bad thing happen to him. May we they talk about him. He wants start to they make video. Then you go there and make video about time. You will say they make video about people. Haba now. Haba. Wake up, girl. Wake up, lady. Wake up, brother. Wake up, bro. What are you doing? If you love WODE MAYA and you're supposed to love everything about him. If you like WODE MAYA, you're supposed to like at least anybody when talk about him, you would like him. If you like editorial, anybody when bring editorial, now free advert we they give them. Now Nello, we are giving them free advert. And I'm doing my job. You just say easy. I go relax. Then I go sit down, deliberate on the matter. You come my comment section. Go and look for a job. I'm doing my job, my sister. Okay. I think you hear how much a content creator they catch out. If you be daughter, they say grade by grade. How much you they catch out for your grade? How much? Maybe your grade now, maybe me and you now will be the same. If they want, look out for me, for the money aspect. My people, God will bless our brother. He did Uganda content creator. They're kind of happy to meet him, and he encouraged many of Uganda people content creators. Say, show your village. Say, show your side. Say, show things. Let the world see different things. You know, maybe not they make our content a day boring. It's not easy, our brother. It's not easy. Sometimes you say they do the best. You know, to say somebody did when they do more than you. He mentioned a lot. Okay, for me, I still take some things inside. If you are a content creator, you know they make her now. No worry, one day we'll make her. Take it easy, okay? Take it step by step. Not they discourage. Giving up is not the answer. If YouTube, God say YouTube now your own. If God say YouTube not be your own, why you will hate yourself or why you will vex? No. Other way they when God will say bless you. But if you find your blessing, for me, I love YouTube because if maybe for example they catch arts as WODE MAYA they catch arts. Hey, I'm not talking about job. Ask me. Be a YouTube, be a content creator. You go sleep, you go do things, you go at your own time. Now you will take do all those things. But if you dey work, you need to wake up early morning. You need to do a lot of things. You need to make time. But as a content creator, now you at your own time, now you take it to one. You know, say I say, now really cool business. Now YouTube be. So may we pray, may we they catch out the way our brother they catch out. Yet, if many of us they catch out like that, we don't hammer, we don't. Now this one I get to talk, my people. Sorry, my love. Now this one I get to tell you now, say, see amount when WODE MAYA as a content creator, me not tell content creator, me they go look for job, they get job, okay? Believe now, say, now job that they do, they say they tell Cora, go and look for Cora, money when Cora they catch, they receive in a month. You when you they go Cora comment section, say me, she go look for job. You know they get her. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Me when I stop to the bully content creator, say me they go look for job. They catch out, they make their money, cool business. Now you, when you know that day inside, now you they tell me they go find work, okay? My brother WODE MAYA, thank you. Uganda people, Uganda content creator. Congratulations to you guys. I'm happy for you guys, okay? For you to have opportunity to meet WODE MAYA, to feature him, you know, to talk with him, to still encourage him now. Kudos to now, okay? I'll meet you now in my next video. Drop your comment in the comment section. You ever believe say content creator, it go catch out to reach $20,000 in a month or 40,000? WODE MAYA say 20-40 now they get in a month. WODE MAYA na millionaire oh. WODE MAYA now below. In fact, WODE MAYA, it's time for you to host all our Africa, whether we are abroad though. As far as we be Africa, it's time for you to host now. Yes, go and host us because see the money. No give up, oh. Giving up is not the answer. Giving up is not the answer.
We don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.